Gian Carlos D. Viray. His friends call him Gian. He is from Kinder 2 Dalton. He is 5 years old. He likes to watch cartoons and playing computer games. His favorite sports are biking and running. Let us give a round of applause to our candidate number 2, Gian Carlos D. Viray.
Our candidate number 3 is Jasmine Princess L. Ayuda. She's from Kinder 2 Dalton. Princess is 5 years old. Princess is 5 years old. She loves to draw and play her Barbie dolls. Let's give a round of applause. Candidate number 3, Jasmine Princess L. Ayuda.
Our candidate number 4 is Marcus Yuan P. Evangelista. He is from Kinder 2 Dalton. He is 5 years old. He likes dancing and playing. His favorite sport is basketball. Let us give a round of applause to our candidate number 4, Marcus Yuan P. Evangelista.
Our candidate number 5 is Jed Christoph C. Maligaya. His friends and classmates call him JC. He is from Kinder 2 Dalton. He is 5 years old. He likes to watch television, play computer games, and read. His favorite sport is basketball. Let's give a round of applause to our candidate number 5, Jed Christoph C. Maligaya.
Next is our contestant number 6, Gibjon Albert Lagos. His friends call him Gibjon. He is 6 years old from the grade 1. He loved to read. His favorite sport is soccer. Let us give a round of applause to our candidate number 6, Gibjon Albert Lagos. Once again, a round of applause to Gibjon Albert Lagos.
Candidate number 7 is Richelle A.I. Musa. She's from grade 3 boy. She is 8 years old. Her friends call her Casey. She likes to watch television and reading books. Her favorite sport is badminton. Ladies and
Agnieszka L. Aguirre. Her friends call her Ish. She is from grade 3 Boyle. She is 9 years old. She likes to shoot photos. Her favorite sport is volleyball. Let us give a round of applause to our candidate number 8, Agnieszka L. Aguirre.
Our candidate number 9 is Ian R. Paliano. He is from grade 6. She is 11 years old. Her friends call her Anne and she loves to read books. Her favorite sport is volleyball. Another round of applause for Ian Paliano.
Our candidate number 10 is Ara Angela S. Daya.
May baril na naman.
She is from the second year Fury. She is 13 years old. She loves to read books and to listen to music. Her favorite sport is badminton.
Puro may mga baril ah.
Let us give a round of applause to Ara Angela S. Daya.
Our candidate number 11 is Mariah Cyril M. Briones. Second year Fury. She's 14 years old. She loves rowing and swimming. Her favorite sport is badminton. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause to our candidate number 11, Maria Cyril M. Briones.
Our candidate number 12 is Shishay V. Galardo. She is 15 years old. Her friends call her Sheila. She is from Portland, Galileo. She loves dancing and sometimes playing guitar. Her favorite sport is badminton. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause to our candidate number 12, Shishay V. Galardo.
Talagang gumulo ah.